Hi, I'm Jason Graziadei, the Public Information Officer for Nantucket Cottage Hospital. And today I want to share with you how the hospital is planning to provide non-emergency care to the community this summer while keeping our patients and all of our staff and staff members safe. Due to the ongoing pandemic response, things are going to be a little bit different this year. On June 15th, we're going to launch what we're calling same-day appointments rather than our usual walk-in care service in order to reduce the potential for transmission of the coronavirus within the hospital. So we're going to open the entrance to the physician's clinic to the public and staff with appropriate screening on Monday, June 15th. So same-day appointments. We're going, all patients with common conditions and common ailments that are non-life-threatening will be asked to call ahead to 508-825-1000. Again, that's 508-825-1000 to schedule a same-day medical appointment. This would be for something that would have been gone to the walk-in care in previous summers. So staff will determine whether the patient can be seen through a virtual visit, either a video or phone, or whether an in-person appointment is necessary. And we are going to be asking that patients to not arrive at NCH without calling ahead for a same-day appointment. And again, this is to protect people, make sure that we don't have people just walking in and dropping in to the waiting room where there could be a lot of potential transmission and we're not sure if someone is potentially sick with something that could be transmissible, coronavirus or otherwise. So patients with same-day appointments will be seen at the physician's practice inside the main hospital, not at the Anderson building, where we used to have the walk-in care. So the new hours of operation for same-day appointments will be, starting June 15th, will be Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Saturday and Sunday from 8 a.m. to noon. And again, the number to call is 508-825-1000. And then furthermore, our COVID-19 drive-through testing for patients who are symptomatic and their close contacts. Just a word about that. Again, this is to keep our community safe this summer. That testing will continue all summer at the main entrance portico. And the testing criteria for COVID-19 include all patients with at least one of the following signs or symptoms consistent with a viral respiratory syndrome. So subjective or documented fever, a new sore throat, new cough, new runny nose or nasal congestion, shortness of breath, muscle aches, a loss of sense of smell, or any typical symptoms that are concerning for COVID-19. For instance, you've probably heard about COVID toes, which are swollen and inflamed areas on the feet and toes. So also close contacts of patients who have been confirmed to have COVID-19 can be tested without symptoms. So that's a way of controlling the spread in the community. So if there are close contacts with a confirmed case, they would also meet the criteria to be tested. And we want to continue to advise patients who are experiencing one or more of these symptoms to please come to the drive-thru for evaluation. There's no need to call ahead for that. And the costs of testing for symptomatic patients and close contacts are completely covered whether patients have insurance or not. So starting June 15th, the new hours of operation for the drive-thru will be Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to noon, and then close for lunch, and then 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. And then on Saturday and Sunday, the hours will be 8 a.m. to noon. So please go to our website where you can look at, I know this is a lot of information, but you can go to our website, read it, and take it in and sort of understand how we're going to operate this summer. It will be a little different, but we're hoping that people will get the care they need. That's maybe urgent, but that doesn't necessarily rise to the level of going to the ER by having these same-day appointments as well as the drive-through testing for COVID-19. So on behalf of everyone at Nantucket Cottage Hospital, thank you, and have a safe summer.